We're back here looking at some janky stuff. One of the rooms the competitors did. Homeowner called, had some torn vinyl. They couldn't get nobody to come back and fix it for them. So I told them I'd come look at it. This is one of the competitors we called the Brand X window. If you look at this window here, how it just binds up and falls down. We'll get through this video. Hopefully this window won't kill me. But you can see here, it just doesn't operate at all. All the getting jammed up in the openings up in there. That's your vinyl jam liners that you see in there. I mean, they're literally just coming out of the track. I mean, how are they supposed to even operate this thing? But this is your Brand X window. Unfortunately, this is what you get. Y'all have a good day. Thanks. I'm going to try to stay alive here.